Video analytics is the future of safety and security management, augmenting traditional security operations with new detection capabilities. In this use case, existing Internet Protocol cameras are transformed into intelligent devices on the edge. Powered by Singtel Paragon, this video analytics solution enhances situational awareness and supports efficient, real-time response. Industry 4.0 use cases include unauthorized path deviation cameras that have the ability to differentiate between humans and objects or vehicles. If a person is detected in an unsafe or unauthorized area, an alert is raised in real time. Personal protective equipment detection. If a person is detected not wearing appropriate safety gear, an alert will be raised. Trip and fall detection. An alert is generated if a person is detected to have fallen. Security management personnel can even pinpoint the exact location of the fall and view close-up footage of the event.